In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a coupon code in BigCommerce. We'll walk through where to find the coupon settings, how to set up the offer, and what each field means so customers can start using your discount at checkout with confidence. First, log into your BigCommerce control panel. From the main menu, open Marketing, then choose Coupon Codes. If your admin looks a little different, look for a Promotions section under Marketing. Older interfaces sometimes place coupon tools there. This page lists any existing codes and is the hub for everything related to discounts. Next, click Create a Coupon Code. This opens a form where you'll define the details of your new promotion. Before you type, think about the goal of this coupon, whether it's to encourage first purchases, reward loyalty, or move specific inventory, because that will guide your choices on this screen. Start with the coupon code. This is exactly what shoppers will enter at checkout, like Welcome 10. Keep it short, easy to remember, and avoid spaces or characters that could confuse customers. Then choose the discount type. You can set a percentage off, a fixed amount off, or even free shipping. Percentage discounts scale with order size, while fixed amounts are great for precise markdowns. Free shipping works well when delivery costs are a barrier to conversion. Enter the discount value that matches your type, such as 10 for a 10% discount or 20 for $20 off. Set usage limits to control how often the code can be redeemed, either globally or per customer, which helps prevent abuse and protects margins. Define the active dates to schedule when the code starts and stops working, aligning with your campaign timeline and your store's time settings. Depending on your strategy, you can refine eligibility. Add a minimum purchase amount to encourage higher cart values. Limit the coupon to specific products or categories to protect high-margin items, or target certain customer groups for a more personalized offer. When everything looks right, click Save. The coupon becomes active according to your schedule and is immediately available at checkout. Take a moment to review the status and copy the code so you can include it in your emails, banners, or social posts. For peace of mind, you can run a quick test in your storefront to verify the discount behaves as expected with your chosen products and limits. That's it. You've created a BigCommerce coupon code, ready to drive sales with a clear, controlled promotion.